How to build your custom goals in CUX. Goal is the ratio of a number of recordings that meet your primary purpose to all visits recordings. In other simple words, goals are here to tell CUX's scripts what is important to your project. CUX lets you either create your own custom goal or use one of the predefined examples. To build your custom goal, go to the Goals page, click Add New Goal. This starts the goal creation process. Begin with a name and description. Enter a meaningful name so that you can later find the goal you need. Add a step. A goal step is a single visitor action, and there is no technical limit to the number of steps. Enter a step name. Select an event and define its parameters. You can select events from 4 categories: events related to the web traffic, user movement on the page, user interaction with a form, or a custom goal. Optionally, repeat adding and configuring steps until you've mirrored the entire sequence of action. Note that for some types of events that represent user interaction with your page element, you need to enter those elements XPath. CUX has a built-in mechanism to make the process smoother. To learn more about XPath, see our tutorial How to extract XPath for waterfalls or goal events. That's all. You and your goal are all set up. Thanks.